Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with
Rebecca.
And how old are you now, Rebecca?
5.
So this is our new flashcard today, 2 black keys. So for this flashcard we have to find the highest set of 2 black keys right here. Can you find the highest set of 2 black keys? Use a rounded hand shape. Good. Yep. And then we have to find the lowest set of 2 black keys. Yep. And then we want to leapfrog from lowest. Can you put your hand back on to highest? So play left hand first, and then right hand on this set. Keep your rounded hand shape. Then, keep this hand here, and we'll leapfrog over. I don't know if the video is catching. And then play this one. You can just play it one time and then bring this hand and put it on the next one.
Which one?
This one right here. And then leapfrog over to the next higher set. And then the next higher set. And then the highest set. And then leave this hand here. And we'll come back over with this hand. And play this one. And then we'll bring this one. And then come over with this one. And then leave this one here. Yep. Over. And one last one. The lowest one. Very good. So when I say, "What's this?" you'll say 2 black keys, and then you'll find the highest set of 2 black keys, the lowest set of 2 black keys, and then you'll leapfrog from lowest to highest. And then we also have to play this song right here. My bear plays 2 low black keys. Your turn. With a rounded shape.
My bear plays 2 low black keys.
And then up high, my mouse plays 2 high black keys. Your turn.
My mouse plays 2 high black keys.
Good job. So here's with the track. Yes, so first me and then you.
My bear plays 2
low black keys. Your turn.
My
bear plays 2 low black keys.
My mouse plays 2 high black keys.
Your turn.
My mouse plays 2 high black keys.
Very good. And that is the end of the 2 black keys lesson. Can you give yourself 2 thumbs up? Great job, Rebecca.